Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Another useful and informative video which is about how to fix camera focus not working on iPhone. So after iOS 17 update, so first of all I will request to my all friends, please subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Press the bell icon for more latest video. So do not waste any time. First of all, fix this issue. So you have check for physical damage. First solution you have, did you accidentally drop your iPhone and damage the camera module on the back? You should check for any cracks or scratches at the back side. If there is physical damage, none of the tricks below will fix the camera focus issue. You will need to visit the nearest Apple service center to get the camera lenses fixed. We would also advise investing in a rugged iPhone case to avoid such a situation. Then second solution you have, reopen the camera app. A simple camera reboot might fix the focus issue for you. Close the camera app so you have while you have using the camera app. So then you have close, double tap on home button, so you have close, and then you have reopen the camera app on your iPhone. Then third solution you have, restart your iPhone. Often a simple iPhone restart can get things back in order. If you still face issues with the camera app, you should reboot the iPhone and try again. So you have press the volume up button, so then you have press the volume up, volume down. Press the power button when you see appears Apple logo on your screen, then 10 to 20 seconds wait, then your mobile is restart, then your problem will be fixed. Fourth solution you have, let your iPhone cool down. After a lengthy video recording or gaming session, your iPhone temperature may rise to an uncomfortable level. The camera app might fail to launch, focus, or functions properly. In such a situation, you should wait, let your iPhone cool down, and use the camera app again. Then last solution you have, update iOS latest version. So you have Apple bundles camera updates with iOS built. The company frequently releases new camera features and bug fixes via iOS update. You must update your iPhone to the latest version to enjoy all goodies. So then you have open the setting, and then you have click on general, click on software update, iOS latest version on your iPhone available, so you must be installed on your iPhone. So hopefully guys, after watching this video you will all know. If you have any problems, so please let me know in the comments box. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Do not forget subscribe and share my YouTube channel. Allah Hafiz.